I'm gonna have to push it more. We'll come around and get lined up on the ramp, and I'll stop you on the concrete, okay?
What's up, man?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
What's up, man? What does it get cost?
Let me take a look. Yeah, it's down there a little bit.
Yeah, you know. There's no hook back there. I already looked.
Okay.
But I did get on the axle. You know. I had to go all the way to the axle back there, or not axle, whatever.
Yeah, it's technically control arm. Yep, I see it.
That's all you could get on. There's no hook.
Wow.
I think this thing was wrecked before.
Fair enough. Are you guys just trying to get off the beach now?
No, we're right down here, but I mean, we're just trying to get out of the way.
I gotcha.
I mean,
Okay.
We're literally right here. If we get on the hard pack, we should be fine, man.
Yeah.
But somebody else was got me.
I just want to see what the front control arm looks like.
It's a TikTok page, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh yeah, man. I appreciate it.
That's all. I was literally thinking to myself, like, I saw a white truck pull up, and I'm like, oh, I got this.
Yes, sir. Did you look under the back?
Bad.
Yeah, look. Because I'd rather pull him backwards.
Yeah. I mean,
But,
oh my God.
right, what the heck is that? I mean, we could go, I don't even trust that singular tube control arm. I think we got to go forward. Here, take this shovel. We're going to have to dig out the front. Oh.
Thank you, Brian.
Yeah, you're right. That back ain't pretty. We're going to dig out.
It's like there's no hook.
Yeah, nothing. And sometimes there's good control arms, but nah. So we're just going to dig out the front, go to the front control arms. And you want to stay on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go straight, man, and we're right here before this sign by that silver trailer.
Okay. I think if I get you up in this lane, probably get you parked.
Probably good.
Okay, sounds good. You got it?
Hey, did you get the other side?
No.
Bro, it's so bad.
Try and crank that wheel as far as you can this way. Did it come anymore? Yeah, just hold it there for me. Here, you want me to take a look?
Yeah, I think I see where it needs to go, but it's...
Yeah, actually, let me see. Sometimes when they're thick like that, you can actually go to the outside edge and it'll just suction into the thick part. So you don't have to worry about going through the tiny holes or anything.
Oh.
Because that's the first thing I always think is where can it slide in? So if it just slides into thicker control arm, you're perfectly fine.
All right.
All right, all the way the other way. You go ahead and do that side. All right, go ahead, straighten that wheel out. Like we were saying, just a tiny bit of gas. I'll bring you, the white sand's better, so I'm gonna bring you over in that lane, and we'll probably bring you up a little bit, make sure we get you past the soft spot, cool. And then make sure you're rolling, and we'll get you unhooked. Sweet. You rolling okay? Go ahead, try and just nice and easy pull forward a little bit. Yeah, I think you should be good.
I think it's good. There you go.
Sweet, and you have your traction control off? You'll want to turn that off. Be careful with it.
Yeah, it's off.
But that'll,
yeah, that way it doesn't fake you.
Yeah, does it actually tell you?
It tells me in here.
Okay, cool.
It's off.
All right, we'll make sure you get parked up before we leave, all right? Just straighten that wheel back out nice and easy on the gas. And honestly, if I was you, I would try and back in, just roll it. Yeah. And when you go to leave, you can pull out nice and easy.
Yeah, I'm right past the brake.
All right, we'll make sure you get parked. Oh, no.
Is he already?
He's gunning it. He's moving. We might need to go push him. Wait. All right, go ahead. Yeah, he wanted to stay on the beach. I'm gonna have to push it more. We might be able to push it a little bit here. Hold on. Where are you trying to go at?
Right here.
Where?
I can't get anywhere. Right past this gray truck.
Okay. All right, we'll try and push. He's just trying to go by that gray truck.
All right.
Oh, way down.
All right.
That's good enough for me.
All right, sounds
We're in
good.
trouble if we're right there, are we?
No,
Stay out of it.
you're out of the lane. Here, try and back up a few feet and we can try and push you a little further up. All right, stop. Try and push him up a little bit further. All right, go ahead. All right, that's good. Yeah, I'd say you'll probably still have a decent shot at backing it out. You get a person or two to push.
People that are on their way.
Sounds
to
good.
gas truck,
Hey.
so thanks,
You have a
man.
good one, all right? Oh, gosh. Whew. I need some water. My chest's burning. We got him, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. We're down here on the south end, and we got a little Beamer. So we're going to get him up out of here. What's your name?
Adam.
Adam?
Yeah. Hey, Martin.
Okay, John. Nice to meet you. Alrighty. So easiest thing would be to pull you back, but I'm curious if we're going to have anything to pull from. Otherwise, I'll probably pull you in a loop. Is it on? Can we crank it up real quick? Turn that wheel all the way to the driver's side. I think we're probably going to know when to go forward. We're going to see. Yeah. So basically what I'd do, we get a bridle on the front, and we'll just crawl you in a U-turn back up onto the ramp.
Great.
Is this 30? Wow, no, that's only 20.
Really?
Right? It looks kind of long for some reason. I don't know. All right, so once he's done hooking up, our game plan, you're probably going to want to crank it almost all the way driver when he's ready. And I'll get an angle, and I'm just going to go real slow. We'll swing it as wide as we can. Just leave tension on the line. Give me a tiny bit of gas.
Great.
Biggest thing is tension on that line. We'll come around and get lined up on the ramp, and I'll stop you on the concrete, okay? All right, go ahead. Turn it this way. Okay. Go ahead and turn all the way to the driver's side. All the way passenger.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, of course, man. Happy to be able to help get you out of there.
We literally, that was our entrance into here. It was like fucking
I tell
crazy.
some people, go ahead, you're a good tap. If you go down like into Daytona, like it's like advertised as two-wheel drive because the tide washes it all out.
Got it.
So that's where you can go.
Yep.
But this north end's all nasty. So
Good.
you want a receipt?
No, thank you.
Awesome. Hey,
Hey, bro.
you have a
thank
great day. All right?
You too. Have a great day.
There you go, guys. Cool dudes in a Beamer. Got them up out of there. They can go about their day. See ya. Alrighty, guys. We are up here on the north end, and apparently we got a Chevy 2500. So we're gonna see what's going on. What's up, man? What's your
It took
name?
me like 6 hours to work in here, man. You guys are here.
Yeah.
So how much is gonna cost us?
All
Come on, give us a good price, man.
right.
That's what I got.
Well, someone else has got it for you. That's already almost half off, bud. It's gonna be a 2.5, I think. Can you tell?
It needs a key.
Hey, you got a key to the hitch? I need the hitch out.
Oh man, I don't. Let me give it one more try.
Go for it. Hurry up. Who's driving it? Are you trying?
Stop. This stop.
Are you trying or no?
Yeah, he's trying right now. He's.
What are we doing?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
The only thing I lost my key, so I can pick it up. We got it locked.
I got you.
¿A poco esa puede sacar esto?
Él se está parando en lo duro.
All right. Oh well.
Chao,
Vamos para dónde.
para allá, para nosotros.
They don't have the key, guys, and there's really nothing else to go to. So we're going to 2 balls, not 1, and we're just going to take it nice and slow. Who's driving? All right.
Ya la viste, ven.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm just going to give you some instructions. Are you in 4 high or 4 low?
I got him for low now.
Okay. Basically, I don't want to yank on it, so we're just going to use the winch. I'm going to pull real slow. Once you can feel that tension, tiny bit of gas. Just try and creep it. If we get it up and moving, I'm going to basically almost drive into the water over there. I want you to be where I'm at. And then from there, I'll hook up to the front of you with a kinetic rope, and we'll rip you out of here, okay? All right. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna put a rope on the front of you and we'll pull you to the ramp. All right, turn that wheel all the way towards me. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a bump. Just give me a little bit of gas. I'm gonna come wide and then come wide this way and we'll bring it up onto the ramp. Try and leave a little bit of tension on the line, but help me some.
Okay.
Sweet.
That's a strong car, bro.
Yeah, not too bad, right? Appreciate you, man. Hey, y'all have a blessed day, okay? Was that a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There you go, guys. Wanted to make sure you didn't get stuck coming back up onto the ramp, so we just hooked up and pulled him. Went well. See ya.
Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to Santo.